Children, today I will show you how to draw two types of birds. Write title, two types of birds. Write today's date. Now on this paper you have to draw two birds on one page. First we have to draw our first bird. Here, keep your pencil here and draw some zigzag lines and give a curve shape. Bring it down. Keep your pencil again here and draw a wing. Again. Join it here. Now, tail you have to draw. Keep your pencil here. You have to draw beak like this way. Then you have to show the leg. This is the legs. Now for the eye, cover the oval shape. Now the second bird we have to draw on the same page here. We have to start from here. Keep your pencil here. Again beak. Leg. Now from here you have to draw tail. Now after this you have to show the branch of a tree. You have to start from here. You have to complete that drawing. Means after the drawing branch of a tree, you have to show some leaves here. Now for coloring, you have to use any colors for this bird. Only for this branch of a tree, you have to use brown color, and for the leaves, you have to use green color. After coloring, your picture will look like this.